Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own LLC in Wisconsin. This video is going to from start to finish to completion of your order for your own LLC, and I'm going to guide you through it all. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you do it, you will get right here to Incfile, and in Incfile you want to click Start My Business. I always recommend, guys, is to, when you're starting the business, you want to focus on running the business, making the money, providing value for people. You don't want to spend time on a lot of administration, accounting, how to start a business, registered agent. You really want to focus on the important stuff, how you can grow. And here, when you're gonna be, Incfile can help you with that. So Incfile here, you want to choose LLC, and state of formation, you want to scroll down below and find it right here, Wisconsin. Then you have three options here: silver, gold, or platinum. So with the silver version, you're gonna have 130 one-time transparent payment, gold 329, and 429. You see that with the silver version, you're gonna have the unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. But what I recommend is actually going with the gold version, the middle way, because you're gonna have the business tax number, IRS form, banking resolution, business banking account, business tax consultation, unlimited phone email support. So in the gold version, you're gonna have covered everything, like most of the stuff. But with the platinum, there are like 3 benefits. So you can get expedited filling, so your company would be filled faster, domain name, business email, and business contract templates. So these are the 3 benefits. So here I'm going to choose the gold version, so get the gold package. And I'm going to simply add a first name, let's say Marcus Tonelius, email address, gmail.com, and then phone number. So I will simply add a phone number here. And then on the bottom, you will add an address. So here I'm going to add a street address. City and state and zip code. So this is how you do it, and this is the beginning. Now let's go further to next year. And now you get option to have a state filling time. So you can go with the 3 weeks, or you can go with a free business day. So if you want to go, you can go with a free business day for $50 or 3 weeks for nothing. And here I can simply choose the 3 business days. Okay. And now I'm going to find the LLC name. So it's going to be like, let's say, Sanovi Marketing. And I'm going to choose the designator. So you choose the name, let's say a bakery or limited liability. That's like completely up to you which designator you're going to choose. Number of members and owners, how many owners are going to be of that LLC? I'm going to be 1, myself, and business purpose. So here I would add I would just add and write here marketing service for small business owners. And then you have option to also add the industry. So let's say I'm going to add marketing and marketing consulting services. So right here, as you can see, we're going to have the company information, the keywords, and company address information. So you can have the professional business address here, or you can use your own address. That's like completely up to you. And when you're going to have like professional business address, you can choose that or use your own. By professional business address, you would maintain privacy by using commercial address. This is completely up to you if you're going to choose that. Then I would press next again. So here you're going to have the business contract template and business name, business email address. So with the business contract template, you can get the high quality legal documents, privacy policy, terms of service, sales agreement, and domain name and business email address. If you want, you can upgrade. If you don't need these 2 things, then don't upgrade. If you didn't add the filling, that you can fill faster your LLC, you would have the option right here too. So that's again completely up to you. And then you see the member 1. If you're representing a company, you would choose a company here. But if you're representing individual, you just simply add an individual here and then 100% of the ownership. Then you would press next again, and then you're going to find the registered agent information here. So this is something that I would definitely recommend to do with the Incfile, because they are going to cover their registered agent free for the first year, and they're going to cover a lot of stuff for you. So what is a registered agent? Receives and forwards important legal and tax correspondences on behalf of the company, and that's amazing. That's a huge thing. So that's something that I would definitely recommend for you to do. Then you click next here, and again you're gonna have the tax identification number information here. So I'm a foreign individual and do not have the social security number. No, you choose a first name, last name, and then SSN number, or if you have the IT number, you add it right here. Then you're gonna find a physical street address. And when you got it all, you're gonna again click next. And then you can also set the small business with Bank of America. So here you're gonna have the open new account over the phone. And if you want to have a bank account with the Bank of America, you would click yes and they will contact you, or just simply no, not at this time. And when you go further, we're gonna click next. And then you see right here that we have the tax strategy free consultation that you can easily learn how the LLC is taxed. This is something that I heavily recommend. It's going to help you tremendously on your business journey. How to reduce the chance of an IRS audit, how to reduce the self-employment taxes, all the important stuff you're gonna have right here. And you want to simply click next. And then you're gonna have the business licenses and permits. So you're gonna have the 2 licenses for a consulting business, and you can simply click yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. So that's again, it's going to take a wind out of your, like it's going to take stuff from your shoulders that you can focus on business. Click next again, and then you're gonna see the review of the order. Now you're gonna check everything is fine, everything is good, and if so, you're gonna like review everything here. And when you're gonna do it, you're gonna click again next, and then you're gonna see the billing information here, street address, first name, last name, card number. You would add it and complete and pay. And this is pretty much it how we do it, and that's how easy it is. Now, if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. This is how you can easily start your own LLC in Wisconsin. I hope this video helped you on your journey to become better, greater, and to actually start your business, the entrepreneur. And you can also read here, I was able to easy maneuver through the website. Incfile made my first time entrepreneurial experience as peaceful one. And that's huge. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. This is how you can start your LLC in Wisconsin. Goodbye.